to a local contractor, a carpenter to get your home done. Now, there are a lot of contractors and carpenters who do a very good job, but equally, there are times when there is no guarantee of the material, there is no warranty after that, there is no after sales maintenance when something goes wrong. It is exactly for this reason that we created design. We wanted to make sure that India's middle class, people like me who grew up here in Bangalore, who understand what it means when we put it and with our hard-earned money, we buy a home for between 60 lakhs to a crore in Bangalore today. When we buy that home and then we want to get our home materials done, but we want something that will last a generation, that we don't want something that we will throw away in a couple of years. And it is with this guarantee that we actually build Design Cafe into it.
So what's your roadmap?
So we are here at the launch of our 20th store. We have done this within a period of 9 years. We are just starting our 10th year celebration. We are looking to take Design Cafe's promise, which is quality designer home interiors at great prices to every homeowner in India. So we want to make sure that there is a Design Cafe store across the country. We are in 12 cities today, and we aim to be in the top 25 within the next couple of years.
How to conduct Design Cafe?
So most homeowners, how do they actually begin this journey? You can go online to designcafe.com, go to our website, look at the designs that we have, understand the materials, understand about styles, understand about the process. You can also directly come into one of our stores in Bangalore. This is our 4th store, MG Road, HSR, Whitefield and Hebbal now. We have one store within every 10 kilometers of where you live in Bangalore. If you come to a store, a designer will sit with your layout plan, understand, give you a proposal that covers all of your requirements and also your personality, and personalize a home design for you. This is done for free. There is no charge for this design proposal given to you. Once you accept it, once you like it, you can sign up with us. We take measurements and then we give you a detailed design, which is then sent to our factory, manufactured. The designer in the meanwhile will work with you, select lines, select curtains, select wall finishes, do false ceiling if you want to do false ceiling, help you select your bedding. And then by the time all this comes together, all of the material from the factory comes, gets installed, and you are ready to move into your home with no hassle whatsoever.
Okay. Thank you.